Let's do a movie. You got a movie with Mr. Lizard? Yeah, I see him. You like him?
Oh, right.
You give Mr. Lizard a kiss?
Bye. Bye-bye.
Where you gonna take him?
Say hey. Go that tree. Go that tree with
Yeah.
you. Go that tree with you.
You wanna put him on that tree?
Yeah. Not on that tree.
Okay.
The Papa. The Papa.
Let me tell Mr. Lizard to say hi to the camera.
Hey.
Say hi, Mr. Lizard.
Go put that one.
Okay. You're not squeezing him too hard, are you?
He's cute. He's cute. He's cute.
Where are you gonna take him?
No,
Where are you taking him? You gonna put him in there? No? Where do you want to put him?
I'll put him in here.
Where?
I'll put him in here.
You like Mr. Lizard?
Yeah, I will put him in here.
You say hi to him?
What's this? What's this, Mimi?
You want me to move it? Okay, where are you taking Mr. Lizard?
This way.
You gonna take him that way? You like lizards?
Yeah, okay.
Are they nice? You gonna put him on a tree?
You let him go.
You want me to let him go?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, I'm holding the camera right now.
This.
Okay. Oh,
This one.
you gonna let him eat a leaf? You gonna let him on the... You can let him go there. He'd like it. He would like it. He would like it if you let him go on the tree. He would.
You want them tree?
Yeah.
You want them tree?
Put him on the tree. He
Okay.
would probably like it. You gonna let him go? There we go. Oh, he ran away. Okay, say bye, Mr. Lizard. Bye, Mr. Lizard.
Let's see.
Say bye-bye. Aw, be nice.
I will try to get him. Go back, lizard. I will get him, Mimi.
Okay, I'll get him again. All right, say bye-bye, Mr. Lizard.
I want him.
Okay. Let me get him again.